Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here to show you what I've made for Dearjuliejulie August Junk Journal Challenge with respect to my envelope embellishments and then my 9 favorite things. It's what I'm going to call my 9 favorite things. Okay, first the envelopes. So first I took 3 envelopes, used my Distress Oxides all over them and colored them all up, and then just decorated them with some words from my scrapbook paper and a few paper daisies. So just very simple. I cut the tops off and they become little paper bags. Then, oh yeah, I made these 3 sort of accordion type files. They're the same kind of files that I put in my clutches, but these will actually just be double pockets in the journal. So I used 2 envelopes for each one, and then inked around them, stitched around them, made little thumb holes, and popped a cluster onto them. And then for my 3rd envelope, I used a CD envelope and stuck a Dearjuliejulie image down in each one of them. Did some stamping around the outside of it, inked around it, and then on the back, I've got it such that when it goes into a journal, they will flip up like this, have some writing space, and of course something can slide in there, and then this can be a little top tuck. So that is my 3rd envelope embellishment. Then for my favorite things, what I did was I took the bottom part of the gift bags that I had cut off earlier, and I just made a little pop-up pocket. And I don't know if you've seen these before or not, but when I glue it down onto a page, and I can either glue the whole thing or I can glue it down as a pocket, but it needs to be glued at least on 3 sides so that when it is, it will just, when you pull this little tab, it will pop right open. Okay, so I've got that. And then I made some side pockets, and these I will be using for the 2 of the 3 file folder things that I made. So I used 2 pieces of scrapbook paper. These were, the bottom layer was 4 inches, the top layer was 2 3/4 inches, inked around them, sewed around them, put some lace down, and I've got, let's see if I can flip this over. I've got 2 pieces of scrapbook paper here that I've got the lace sandwiched between, so that this little thing, it just becomes like a little slider. It's just for decoration, but it's kind of a fun little slider. So I did that. And then the last thing I did, I had a really hard time figuring out what to do for my 3rd thing. And so I started using up some scraps, and I just made these little pockets using little strips of paper and stuff and lace and stuff. And of course I still had some butterflies left. So I just made 3 simple little pockets. So now, as you've noticed, my videos have begun slowing down a little bit. And the next thing you see on the August Junk Journal Challenge will be the flip through of my journals. And I need to get started on my design team project for Kara Brandon. So you'll probably see some of that coming up. But there is going to be a slowdown in videos because I need to do some learning for the project I want to try to do for my design team project. So anyway, so now I've got all of my elements made for the August Junk Journal Challenge. And that's it for now. Until next time, I wish you all a wonderfully happy, crafty day, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.